Motorola has just announced the Edge 60 Neo. Let me tell you about its specs and price. This is the newest model of the Edge 60 series. And in the Neo variant, it tends to achieve strong sales performance and is often considered a highly appealing model. This is primarily because it is designed to provide an excellent balance within the mid-range market segment, with a sturdy, compact design. When it comes to design, it features a slim team that measures 8.9 millimeters in thickness and is lightweight, weighing only 175 grams. Additionally, it features a synthetic leather finish on the back cover, available in a range of Pantone colors. What's most impressive is its durability. It has military certification, MIL-ST 810H, and water and dust resistance with IP68+. IP69 ensures it's a highly durable device in that regard. The screen is a POLED measuring 6.4 inches with a 1.K resolution. It features a variable refresh rate of 120 Hz due to LTPO technology, which is quite uncommon in the mid-range segment. Additionally, it boasts an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it ideal for this category. All of this is protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, which completes its excellent resistance. The rear camera system is comprised of 3 cameras, a main sensor that is a 50-megapixel Sony Lithia 700. A 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, and lastly, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. I believe this setup is quite robust and competitive, capable of competing with smartphones that are much more expensive. The front-facing camera is 32 megapixels. The battery capacity is 5,000 mAh and it supports fast charging at 68 watts via cable, and impressively, it also supports wireless charging at 15 watts. For performance, it features the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. It runs Android 15 out of the box though, but the starting price in Europe for the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage model is 399 euros. At the exchange rate, that's about 8,750 Mexican pesos, although keep in mind that prices vary between regions. But let me know what you find most attractive in this device. Its resistance, the incorporation of wireless charging or the telephoto camera,